Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge above 20% and unlock the Redmi. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi or enable Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. Next, open Settings and navigate to Connection and Sharing, or pull down Quick Settings and tap Quick Share. You do this because Quick Share relies on local connectivity and device visibility. Doing it now avoids interruptions. Make sure permissions for location and files are allowed, so the service can discover nearby devices and transfer securely without. You now enable and configure Quick Share. Tap Quick Share and toggle it on. Choose Visibility, Contacts for privacy, or everyone to be discoverable. Once visible, select Save Location, picking internal storage or SD card, because transfers respect that destination. Then open Transfer Preferences to enable Auto Accept for trusted transfers or high-speed mode for larger files. Also check data usage settings so Wi-Fi is preferred. These steps optimize speed and privacy and make future transfers automatic when you trust the other device. You complete the process by selecting File, S in Photos or Files, tapping Share, and choosing Quick Share then the target device. The recipient must accept the transfer, watch the progress bar, and confirm the saved location once done. If a transfer stalls, make sure both devices stay unlocked, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, or restart Quick Share in Settings. This resets discovery. If problems persist, reboot the phone and check permissions. These troubleshooting steps clear common connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.